into the night. Rolling Fork Mayor Eldridge Walker told he was unable to get out of his damaged home soon after the tornado hit because power lines were down. He said emergency responders were trying to take injured people to hospitals. He did not immediately know how many people had been hurt. Storm chaser Reed Timmer posted on Twitter that Rolling Fork was in immediate need of emergency personnel and that he was heading with injured residents of the town to a Vicksburg hospital. The Sharkey-Issaquena Community Hospital on the west side of Rolling Fork was damaged.